Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 3 cumulative patient. Basically, this is the third chapter of Excel section of my Lab course. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or Access assignments, please contact me on WhatsApp, email, or WeChat ID that I have mentioned in the description of this video. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics, etc. So let's start this assignment and solve this assignment step by step. I request you to subscribe to my channel, like my video and comments to my video. If you have any question related to this, please leave a message and I will respond you as soon as possible. So title of the assignment is Exp22 Excel chapter 3 cumulative patient. So this is the title of this assignment. At start of the instruction file, you can see this project description. Basically, this project description has nothing to do with the assignment, but please go through this project description so that you can get an idea about the assignment. So I will move to step number 1 because main part of the assignment are these instructions. There are total 30 steps in this assignment. I will solve this step in this video. So let's start from step number 1. Start Excel, download and open the file named Exp22 Excel chapter 3 cumulative patient. Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file. So we are supposed to download this Excel file that I have already downloaded, and we are supposed to solve the all steps or all the assignment instruction in this file. So you can download this from your Lab dashboard. So step number 1 is just about downloading the Excel workbook, and we will move to step number 2 now. Weekly blood pressure reading have been entered for a sample patient. You want to create a clustered column chart to compare the reading for the month. After you create the chart, you will move it to a chart sheet that will be used to contain several charts for easy reference. Create a clustered column chart using the range A2 up to C7 on the April worksheet. Move the chart to the cell A1 in the chart sheet. So basically we are supposed to create a clustered column chart, and the data for this clustered column chart is given, that is A2 up to C2, and then we will move this chart to a new sheet, and that sheet name is chart sheet. So let's start and select this range A2 up to C2. So this range has been selected. Now we are supposed to create a clustered column chart. Simply click on this insert tab and click on recommended charts, and you will get a clustered column chart from here as well, or you can get it from, let me look for this one. This is the cluster column chart with line on it axis, and you can see from here as well. So these are different charts, and we can simply use the recommended chart to get this chart. So you can see that 2D cluster column chart, straight column chart, and this. We are supposed to create a cluster column chart from here. Now we are supposed to move this chart to a new sheet. We will simply move this, and that shield name is mentioned in the instruction, that is charts. So we will have charts here. We have charts. So we have created a chart and we have moved the chart to a new sheet. The name is chart and it should be in cell A1. Simply cut this and paste it in A1. So that is all about step number 2. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 3. Change the chart title to blood pressure reading in April and blood board the title. So we are supposed to type this blood pressure readings in April and board the title. So blood pressure readings in April, and then we are supposed to board this chart title. So we have typed the title and we have board the chart title. So that is all about step number 3. Let's move to new step, that is step number 4. So it is saying that you realize the chart might be easier to read as a bar chart. Change the chart type to the cluster bar chart. So we have created a cluster column chart, but now we are supposed to make it cluster bar chart. So we will simply click on it and go to chart design, and you can see that change the type. So we are supposed to select the bar chart from here. Stacked column, cluster column. So we will go to the bar chart now, and cluster bar chart is here, this one. So click OK, and you can see the chart has been changed to the cluster bar chart. So that is all about step number 4. Now let's do step number 5. You will increase the chart size to make it easier to read on display screen. Set 4-inch height. So we are supposed to change the height of this chart. So simply click on the chart and click on the format tab, and from here we can change the height of the chart, and we have changed the height of the chart. So we have solved 5 steps, and now let's do step number 6. You want to remove the additional dates displayed on the category axis. Select the dates on the axis and display the format axis task pane. In the axis option category, select the text axis to remove the extra date from the chart. So select the dates on the axis and the format axis dot pane. So these are the dates. We will select this one and then format axis. So from this, now it is saying that in the axis option category, select text axis to remove. So text axis. This one. Axis type should be text. To remove the extra dates from the chart. So we are supposed to select this one. So next thing to do is step number 7. You want to arrange the dates with the oldest date at top. Display the dates in reverse order on the category axis so that the 4/1/2024 is at the top of the vertical axis. So we are supposed to show these dates in reverse order. And we will select the categories in reverse order. And you can see that now you can see that 4/1/24 is at the top of the category axis. So that is all about step number 7, and we have completed this step. So basically we have completed 7 steps so far. I am showing you this step. I am showing you each and everything in these steps, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 8. Next, you will create a line chart depicting the heart rate reading for the month. This chart will help the patient to see trend over time. Create a line chart using the range A3 up to A7, D3 up to D7 on the April worksheet and move the line chart to start in cell I11 in the chart sheet. So now we are supposed to create a line chart, and for this line chart there are 2 ranges given. First range is A3 up to A7 and second one is D3 up to D7. So to do the to create this line chart, we will first select this in these 2 ranges. First one is A7 up to D7. So let's move to the April sheet and select this range, that is A7, A3 up to A7. Now we will select the second one, that is D3 up to D7. D3 up to D7. Now we are supposed to create a line chart. So click on the Insert tab. This is the scatter chart. We can simply click on the recommended charts, and this is the line chart. So we will create this chart. Now we are supposed to move this chart to a chart sheet. So we will simply select this chart sheet and we will move this to chart sheet. And this chart should start in cell I1. So cut this one and paste it in I1. So we have created a chart, that is a line chart based on these 2 ranges, and then we have moved the chart to the chart sheet. So we have solved this step as well. So now let's move to next step, that is step number 9. You decide to adjust the size of the line chart. So now we are supposed to make some changes in the size of the line chart. So first is 3.5 height and 5-inch width. So we are supposed to change the height and width of the chart. So click on the line chart and go to the Format tab. Height should be 3.5 and width should be 5. So it is already 5. So we have made the changes in the line chart according to the instructions. So we are done with 9 steps. So next step is step number 10. Change the line chart title to heart rate in the April and bold the title. So now we are supposed to change the title of the line chart, and the title should be heart rates in April. So simply change this title heart rates in April, and now we will board this title. So we are done with this one. So we have solved 10 steps for this assignment. Total steps in this assignment are 30. I am doing this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. But if you have any question or if you want me to do this assignment, you can contact me. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen, and I will do this assignment for you. Now let's move to next step, that is step number 11. Select the dates and select text axis to remove the extra date from the line chart. These are the dates, and we are supposed to format this axis. And we will click on the text axis, and you can see that extra dates has been removed from this line chart by selecting the text axis type for this one. And that is all about step number 11. So now let's do step number 12. You will change the font color for the axis to make the chart easier to read. Apply black text 1 font color to the value axis and the category axis on the line chart. So now we are supposed to change the color for the value axis and the category axis. So this is the category axis and this is the value axis. We will first select this value axis, and we are supposed to change the font size to black text 1, and also we will select the category axis and we will change the font color to black text 1. So we are done with step number 12. So I have shown you 12 steps for this assignment, and now I am going to do step number 13. Now you want to apply a gradient fill color to the plot area to soften the image. Apply light gradient accent 1 gradient fill color to the plot area on the line chart. So now we are supposed to use the fill option to fill the plot area of this line chart. And the fill color should be light gradient accent 1 gradient fill color. So select the plot area, format plot area and fill. It should be gradient fill, and we are supposed to select the light gradient accent gradient fill. Light gradient accent gradient. So this is accent 1, and we are supposed to select this one, and we have filled the plot area of the line chart to the light gradient fill color. So I have shown you 13 complete steps for this assignment, and now I am going to give you an overview for the remaining steps so that you can complete this assignment on your own. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, you can contact me and I will do this assignment for you. I have solved 15 complete steps in this video, and for the remaining steps I will just give you an overview and I will show you the final version for this assignment so that you can match your assignment to this one. So this is the final version of this assignment. This is the chart sheet having the cluster bar chart, line chart and then pie chart. Then this is the April worksheet. These are the column spark lines, and then the combo chart line on the secondary axis, this one. So I have done this assignment hundreds of the time, and I have been doing courses for students since 2015, and you can have me for your any course throughout your degree like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, etc. You can hire me for your writing assignments. You can hire me for your programming assignment as well. So please have a look to this final version of this assignment, and you will do the remaining steps and you will get a final version like this. So you can hire me for your complete course for Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or Access assignments. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me through email or WhatsApp. My WhatsApp direct link is given in the description of this video as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. I request you to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and comment to my video.